right, so now we're here with our team member Skyy. Skyy, tell us a little bit about yourself.
Well, out of the rest of the WAKA crew, I'm probably the least knowledgeable, but that's not going to stop me today.
Not going to stop him today. This is one of our guys behind the scenes. He's getting out there, getting a chance to turn it up with the guys in front of the camera. So Skyy, have you ever go-karted before?
Yes, I have.
So he has some experience. What is your strategy going into today's races?
I'm just going to go as fast as I can and mind those corners.
Okay,
that's it.
Minding the corners. Where do you expect to finish at the end of the day?
I'm feeling optimistic today. I think I have a good shot at number one.
Number one. All right. That was our interview with Skyy. Let's see how he does.
If you can hear this, I'd like to point out the lack of WAKA branded racing gloves that I was promised. I hope this makes the blooper reel.
So I'm here with Skyy. Skyy, how did you do today?
I feel like I did all right. I sucked the first race. I came in second in the second race, and I'm not sure where I fell in third, but overall I feel pretty good.
How was your overall experience today?
Oh, it was a blast. Go-Karting's always fun.
Shout out to RPM Raceway in Jersey City. Our manager Pete took really good care of us. Thank you RPM, thank you all the people that made this possible. And well played today, well done.